Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by granting the keyboard app the exact permissions it needs. Go to Settings, add the keyboard, and enable full access if the app asks. Next, allow photos so the keyboard can pull your picture directly. Without this, the feature won't work. Once done, pick the image you'll use and crop it roughly. Make sure the subject is centered and clear so the keyboard's editor can detect it easily. This gets you immediately ready to place an image into the keyboard. Open any app with a text field and switch to your custom keyboard. Tap the media, sticker, or GIF icon to access photos. Choose the image you prepared, then pinch to zoom and drag to position the subject where you want it to appear on the keyboard. Use the keyboard's edit tools, crop tightly, rotate if needed, and adjust opacity or remove the background so the picture integrates cleanly. These steps control how the image looks when you send it, or insert it as a keyboard element. Save your edited image as a sticker, keycap, or keyboard background depending on the app's option. Check the keyboard preview so you see the final placement. Then test by inserting it into a message or note to verify alignment and quality. If it doesn't show, make sure photos and full access remain enabled, restart the keyboard or device, and try re-importing the image at a lower resolution. Large files can fail. These final steps complete.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.